Hello everyone. Helpdesk service type Odoo app will designed to streamline the process of managing in customer ticket, tracking and service requests, and maintaining smooth communication between and customers and the support teams. This module provides a various configurations for managing in service type, setting ticket limit for a customers, and fetching in customer details automatically through an email IDs, all while integrating seamlessly into your website help desk form. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the help desk. Under the configuration, we can see and service type, where we can create and multiple service types. So these are the ones which are created for a sample. Now, like the same way, we can create and help desk team too. So here in this, you can see we have created a three help desk team: customer support, VIP support, and also the query. So what we need to do is once we have given a name, we need to enable the same in the website form. So the same team will be available in the website too. Now, once everything is done, we need to give a limit for each and every customers. To setting a limit into the customer, we need to get into the contacts. Now, let me give a limit. So for giving the limit, we need to get into the user. So let's get into the demo user now. Yeah. So this is the demo user which I have created. Now, in the sales and purchase tab where we can see an ticket limit. So in this field, we can give a ticket limit. Okay. Now let's log in as a demo user to see how it works. Let's log out from a Mitchell admin. Now over here in the website, let's log in as a Mac demo. So we are in the Mac demo user. Let's get into the home page. So where we can see an option for raising the tickets. Let's get into the issue support. Okay. Now I need to add a mobile number. Okay, and then in this we can select a type. So based on the type that we have selected, you can see the ticket count. They can create only two. Okay, now let's create a subject description and we can add attachments too. Now after filling all the informations, we can see in submit ticket option. Let's click on the submit ticket. Now you can see a ticket number. Now let's get into the backend to see how it actually works. Now we are in the admin. Let's get into an help desk, and in tickets you can see the ticket which we have created. Yeah, so this is the ticket, and here you can see all the informations about them, where you can see the service type, ticket count, okay, and also the phone number that we have placed. And here in this we can see all the descriptions that we have added along with a type we have added. Okay, now let's create another ticket. So let's log in from an admin and log in as a demo again. Now if the demo user create a ticket again, you can see the count will be 1 now. So remaining only one ticket can be raised. Now let's raise this ticket again. Now you can see that again the same client is facing in another issue. Now let's submit the ticket. Now let's get into the backend to see how it works. Let's log in from a demo user and log in as an admin now. So while we are logging as an admin, let's get into the tickets, all tickets. Let's get into the one which we have raised. Yes. Now the count you can see that there is a service type will be 1. Now let's log in as a demo user again and create another ticket. So if I choose a network again, like I'm raising another ticket, let's create a new one. So here we have created another ticket. Now let's click on the submit. So while the user tries to click on the submit option, you can see that it will be disabled then, as the ticket count is no more. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more audio related updates. Thanks for watching.